Hello guys, welcome to DBA Cave, and today I'll show how to install Oracle VirtualBox. There are some uh, virtualization tools like VMware Workstation and Oracle VirtualBox for Windows machine and Linux machine. So I will install Oracle VirtualBox in my Windows 10 machine, and later I will create a Linux environment or Oracle Linux on this virtual machine, and do some practice for Oracle database and Oracle data guard also. Okay, so first of all we need to download Oracle VirtualBox from www.virtualbox.org. Here this is the Oracle VirtualBox download link, and we will download and install the latest version of VirtualBox. Okay, so the latest version is VirtualBox 7.0. So we're gonna go to download, and there are some packages or platform packages like Windows host, Mac OS, and Linux distribution. Solaris also. Solaris 11 IPS host. So this is my Windows machine, and I will install and download for Windows host. Okay, download completed, and I gonna click on virtualbox.exe file, and it will open the installation window. Okay, just press yes, and okay, there are some warning or information message was, and need to install failed, the fatal error during installation. Why we encounter this error, need to investigate. Okay, let's do again. Okay, so here this is the message: Oracle VMware Solvex 7 need the Microsoft Visual Plus Plus 2019 distributable package being installed fast. Okay, this problem comes for my PC because I configure the base OS or my Windows 10 on some basic software, and you may see that from control panel. Okay, see here, see here, minimal software are installed, and if you check from your Windows PC, then you will see some sort of uh, Visual Plus Plus and others needed software are installed automatically during OS configuration on your PC. And from my side, I don't install any other additional software during OS configuration, so that I encountered by this problem. Okay, so I will install the required Visual Plus Plus 2009 distributable package, and then try to install the VirtualBox 7.0.8. Okay. Okay, here is the Microsoft Visual C++ download page, and I'm gonna go to download and install. Okay, my PC OS was 64 bits, and I will install and download the 64-bit version. click yes. Setup is successful. Need to check and confirm from the control panel, and you see I installed Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 distribution. Okay, so our required package already installed, so we're gonna go to install again. This is our VirtualBox.exe file, and try to install there. Okay, you see the previous setup was encountered by an error, and we may confirm the Visual plus plus software installed, and then it's able to run the installation window. Okay, so next, and I just keep the installation location by default on C drive. Okay, okay, so installing the Oracle virtual networking feature will reset your network connection, temporarily disconnect you to the network. Okay, no problem. Okay, yes, install. Okay, install completed, and okay, just open the virtual box. I'm gonna go to pin to taskbar, and uh, we can see the network preferences. No. Okay, so our VirtualBox installation done, and one thing I want to say that we just installed the VirtualBox, and there are some additional features on VirtualBox, like shared folder. You can share a Windows folder like this down. Okay, like this folder. This folder for the VirtualBox machines. If suppose you create a Linux machine in this VirtualBox, and want to share a Windows machine folder to this virtual Linux machine, and it's easy and simple, but you need to install some additional packages. Here is the package. Okay, this is the package VirtualBox extension pack. It will easier and comfortable to the shared folder, and also if we create a machine in this VirtualBox, and then expand the Windows, but when you expand the Windows to this size, you can't get the Linux OS or Virtual OS for full screen. You need to if you want to expand and see the virtual machines window as like Windows machine window, just full up the screen, then you will need to install the additional VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, without extension pack, you can't able to full screen your virtual OS. Okay, so we already is download completed, and then try to install. Okay, you need to scroll down the license page, Okay, I agree. Okay, then for the next video, I will configure or import uh, one Linux machine that was previously configured, and just do the export from other machine, and I gonna go to import those machine to this Windows machine VirtualBox. Okay, so this is the OVA file. The extension of the Oracle VirtualBox exported machine extension is .ova. Or you can create a new machine by from this new machine create button, and gonna set to name ISO image. Okay, you need ISO image, uh, I have some ISO also, like Oracle Linux 8. Okay, this is the ISO file, and there are some steps. Give the name test machine, then then next then you need to set the virtual machines RAM and CPUs. Okay, then define the hard disk for the virtual machine. Next, finish. And you need to do some additional stages here. Okay, and I will show how to install a Linux operating system on VirtualBox later. Okay, so take care and bye bye.